Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechnoDiz. Today we will learn about how to work on object when it is placed above the surface. As we know, we are unable to work on an object when it placed above the surface. So let's start. To work on 3D, we have to change the view of the object. As you know, now the view is top view. To work on 3D, we have to select SE isometric. Now we set the WCS. To do same, enter UCS icon and select no origin. Now write UCS icon in command bar. Now select no origin. Now make any shape, select rectangle command and give length and breadth to it. Specify first corner and in last the other point. As we can see, now it is on surface. We can see it by 3D orbit. It is on surface. Now we give the Z direction to it. To do same, select gizmo and give Z direction. This is gizmo and then select object and click right key of mouse. Now give Z direction to it. Now you are able to see Z direction also with the help of 3D orbit. Now it is in Z direction. Now if we want to work on this object, like to press pull it, we are unable to do same. See, we select press pull and then if we want to select object, we are unable to select it because it is in 3D. Now if we want to work on object in 3D, then select Z axis vector, then keep the gizmo on object and give direction. As we want to work on Z direction, we give Z direction to it. Now select Z axis vector, kept it on object and give Z direction to it. Now we are able to work on object when it is placed in 3D. Now as you see, we are successfully work on object when it is have some Z direction. Thanks for watching. Like video and subscribe to my channel.